The Deep Soul Awakening Workbook is my secret to inner peace. It helps me break old habits. Truly a life changer. My daily ritual. The Deep Soul Awakening Workbook is my new best friend for finding clarity. It actually works.
I found my true self in the Deep Soul Awakening Workbook. It is a 30-day journey to pure clarity. Get yours today.
Think soul searching is just for the young and restless? Imagine being stuck in a rerun of your own life. The Deep Soul Awakening Workbook is here to shake things up. 30 days of mind-blowing rituals, exercises that hit deeper than a late-night infomercial, and a guide that feels like a wise old friend. It's like a GPS for your soul, but without the annoying recalculating. Easy to dive into, like a warm bath after a long day. Life post-workbook? More clarity, less chaos. Dive in now and watch your world transform.
Ever feel like life's a never-ending episode of Lost? The Deep Soul Awakening Workbook is the compass. Dive in and bam! Mind-blowing insights, soul-nourishing lessons, and a sprinkle of existential magic. It's like therapy, but without the awkward silences. Perfect for those who binge self-help like Netflix. Trust, it's a game changer. Grab it now and start your soul journey.